Recently, I picked up a welding machine, and the gloves that came with the kit were severely lacking. So I picked up these top of the line TOPDC welding gloves. These are 14 inches long. They're fire, heat resistant, and you can use it for MIG, TIG, stick, and forge. It's even great for fireplace, furnaces, and even animal handling. So if you got a rowdy cat or you handle eagles or whatever you're into, these gloves are capable. I like the fact that the outer layer is heat resistant. The middle layer is 1.2 millimeter thickness cowhide, and the inner layer is insulated cotton liner. They feel pretty comfortable and they're not stiff like the other gloves that came with the kit. So I could work the trigger with the welding torch very easy. I like the fact that it rides up 14 inches because sparks and such gives your forearm the needed protection. And this is a great buy, fits great, and I feel a lot safer protecting my hands.